hit the button. Okay, welcome to Margarita 101. First, it starts with a great glass. Make sure you have a nice glass ready to fly. Fill up your little container with ice. I want you to take this, fill up your vessel with the mix, which is, make sure that you don't get the one that already has alcohol in it. Make sure you get, just add tequila. Find your favorite tequila. The favorite tequila around here is Tanteo jalapeno. We use the large half of this. Pour it into our ice. All right? I'm trying to keep this simple and tasty. So now I take my glass and I pour it into here. Give it a couple shakes. Get your shaker. Make sure it's there. 20 times, very important. Crack it open. Have your strainer. Pour into your vessel. And many people just stop there and enjoy. Some people put a little salt in there. I don't. I use Grand Marnier. That is the secret sauce to this particular thing. And all you need on it is ever so slight drizzle around the top. And to you, I say, enjoy.